So this is the site. I'm using Chrome, and you can see below there is the Chinese and there is English. Okay, so how to search for what you want? You can click here. You can type in what you want. Lady bags. Or women bags. Okay. So you can see it's bringing up like 513 here, and there are much more than that on this site. So there are other ways for you to search for something, and it will bring out a whole lot of it. This 513 is actually small. So you can open another and search for Google Translate. Okay, let's do it again. Google Translate, here is it. So you change the language. You change this to Chinese. Simplified. And this to English. Yeah. So you enter text, women bags. You can see to bring it out in Chinese. So here is the thing. It's if you type in something on the search bar in 1688.com, if you search for it in Chinese, you'll get a whole lot more, because the manufacturers are Chinese, and it's Chinese they do use the most, not English. So mostly it's Chinese. So you just copy this and go back to the site. And search. You see it's bringing out like 2000 pieces. So it's actually better if you type in your search in Chinese. So there is bad network here. Okay, let's chill a bit for the network to come back. Okay, it has loaded. So you can see there are a whole lot of things to check out. So let's check through. You can actually get cheaper ones if you surf the site very well. Okay. So you can actually download the image. See, the MOQ is like 3 batches. Now, let me check for another one. Okay, let's go for this. So you can see the arrangement below here. This is the MOQ I'm trying to explain. So this is like you're paying 8.30 yuan if you are getting 3. The MOQ here is 3 and you have to pay 8.30 yuan on each. But if you are getting up to 50, minimum of 50 upward, so it's reduced and you'll be paying 8. But if you are getting up to like 500, then it's dropping again. So this is the explanation here. Then you can download the image. You can check through, swipe. See, it's leather. And you can check for the info, the details. Check for the available colors. Sorry, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back here, and you check for the specifications, the colors. You can see there is red wine, black, dark gray, pink. So you long press and you copy, and you go to your notebook. It's an app. So you have a notebook app, you paste, then below you write the quantity, 3 pieces. You can get more if you want, and you write the colors. And you go back. So you do that for the rest. So I want to show you how you can use a picture to search. You go down and you press on this. You click on this. Okay. Yeah. So you see here, you click on the picture. So you check for what you want. Okay, let's use this. So you choose. Still loading. Okay, this is it. You can see from different manufacturers. You can see this is 72 and another person is selling for 27 here, another is selling for 25 here. So you can check through. So instead of you going for the one for 72, you won't even go for the one for 72 when you are seeing 25. Two pieces, see? So if you are getting like 10, you are paying 27. And if you are getting up to 40, you are paying 25. So you check for the colors available and size. Yeah, you see 35, 36, 39, 38, 37. Black, gray, pink. So you copy the link and you paste. You state the quantity you want, 2 pieces. You want the black and pink and the size. So that's it. So when you're done pasting your orders to the notebook, then you copy everything from the notebook and you go to your WhatsApp. You paste it to the agents, either Candy or Sunny, any one of them. And they send the calculations to you within 48 hours. So here is it. You copy, you see, this is Candy. Then you paste.